Guys, lalabas ako. Ito, yung bus station. Nag-aantay lang ako. Ayan. Nag 1 year kasi ako sa work ko ngayon. Kaya nagbalak ako na mag-day off naman. Kasi hindi ako nagde-day off. So ito, first day off ko. Mula nung nagka-work ako dito sa kanila. Sa alaga ko ngayon. So yan, nag-aantay lang ako ng bus. 8:30 to 9 ang schedule ng bus. So, antay-antay lang ako. Okay? Bahala na yung Google Map. Kung saan ako makakarating. Ito yung namin, harapan namin. Ayan. Ano siya? May McDo, may kaya lang yung ilaw, ayan, nagre-reflect kaya hindi nyo makikita. So, hindi ko alam paano i-off yung reflection ng Ayan. Yayamanin yung mga tao makatira rito. Puro mga buildings, mga center, ayan. Tagal ng bus, ha. Mga 10 minutes na ako nag-aantay dito. Pero friends, kaya antay muna tayo ng bus. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali. Yan, tipid-tipid syempre. Kasama ko yung aking pamangkin na love. Punta kami ko. Wala po yung cup ko sa dali. Ayusin ko lang.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make
make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's.
Malabo yung ano ko. Oh, tara, game na raw. Nakapagbayad na sila. Oh. Ang laki ng medyas. O, diba? Holding hands while walking. Yan, holding hands while walking, pasway-sway pa. Yan, dito tayo sa may Nike naman. Cup lang ako, Bet. Cup na ano, na black. Shoes pala. Bibili ka yata niya, Bet? Bibili mo yata siya, Bet? Hindi ah. Sabay hindi ah. Oy, jersey. Tingin-tingin mo na ako. Ganda ng color. Wala itong price dito sa loob. 400. Jordan. Bibili na yan.
400 siya ito?
Doon. Nasa 50% nga na yan. Ali, minsan pagka bibili tayo doon para makamura tayo pag sama-samahin. Oh, malaki yung discount. Oo. Laki pa ng discount no? Nasaan ba yung cup nila? Na? Ganito, mga bago?
Meron nga lang high top.
Ah. Karin maka-separate lang tambing ring sale dan yan. Makaka-sale niyan. Metong yung isang section yun. Puro sale.
Hindi ko alam. Ano ba may pipiling ka bang?
Cup na black.
Ito lang ang cup na black nila.
Oh, yan. Pwede. Ayan o.
Parehas na pam?
Ang luwang?
Hindi, meron ka lang.
Na-adjust. Magkaling ganyan? Ayos ba? Maganda?
Wala. 60.
Mura naman.
Kaya sa ibang design yan lang.
Nakakalimutan ko yung video.
Mabilis lang pa yan kasi ano lang siya.